Good morning, students. Today we will do conversion of units. We know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Can you tell 1 centimeter square is equal to how many millimeter square? Let us explore similar questions and find how to convert units while measuring area to another unit. Draw a square of side 1 centimeter. See figure 11.38, that is this is your figure. Here on a graph sheet you find that in this square of side 1 centimeter will be divided into 100 squares, each of side 1 millimeter. Now area of a square of side 1 centimeter equal to area of 100 squares of each side 1 millimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter square equal to 100 into 1 millimeter square, or 1 centimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. Similarly, 1 meter square equal to 1 meter into 1 meter, and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Again 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. As 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, we know it. Multiply 100 into 100, it will be 10,000 centimeters square. Therefore, 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeters square. Based on the conversion of units for lengths studied earlier, the units of areas can also be converted. Here say 1 centimeter square, it is equivalent to 100 millimeter square. 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeters square, and 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meters square. Always remember, here we need to find area of such pathways or borders when we want to find the cost of making them. Say example 20. A rectangular park is 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. A path 2.5-meter wide is constructed outside the park. Find the area of path. See the solution. Let ABCD represent the rectangular park and the shaded region represents the path 2.5-meter wide. To find the area of the path, we need to find area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. We have PQ. PQ is from here to here. Here length of AB is 45 meter. It means we have to add this width, that is 2.5, and here 2.5. It means in order to get PQ, you have to add 2.5 twice in 45. Therefore, PQ equal to 4.45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, and if you add it, you will get 50 meter. Similarly, PS. What is the length of PS? It will be AD plus this width and this width. It is 2.5 meter and AD is 30. It means PS will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Therefore, PS equal to 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, and if you add it, you will get 35 meter. Now, area of rectangle ABCD, it is equivalent to L into B, and what is L? Length 45, breadth 30 meter, multiply it, you will get 1350 meters square. Similarly, area of rectangle PQRS equal to again length into breadth. What is length? It is 50 meter into 35 meter square. What will you get if you multiply it? 1750 meter square. Therefore, area of path equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. It is equivalent to 1750 minus 1350 meters square. And if you subtract it, you will get 400 meters square. This is your answer. This is the area of path. Now come to example 21. A path 5 meter wide runs along inside the square park of side 100 meter. Find the area of path. Also, find the cost of cementing it at the rate of 250 rupees per 10 meters square. See the solution. Let ABCD be the square park of side 100 meter. The shaded region represents the path 5 meter wide. Therefore, PQ. PQ will be here this width is 5 meter. Therefore, for finding length of PQ, you have to subtract 5 meter from here and 5 meter from here. Therefore, PQ equal to 100 minus 5 minus 5. Therefore, PQ equal to 100 minus within the bracket 5 plus 5. What will you get? 90 meter. Therefore, area of square ABCD equal to side square equal to 100 square meter square. And what is the square of 100 square? It is 10,000. You will get 10,000 meters square. Similarly, area of square PQRS equal to side square. Here side is 90 and 90 square meter square. What is the square of 90? It is 8100 meters square. Therefore, area of path equal to 10,000 minus 8100 meters square. Subtract it, what will you get? 1900 meter square. Now cost of cementing 10 meter square equal to rupees 250. Therefore, cost of cementing 1 meter square equal to rupees 250 upon 10. So, cost of cementing 1900 meters square equal to rupees 250 upon 10 into 1900. And if you solve it, you will get rupees 47,500. This is your answer. Now come to example 22. Two crossroads, each of width 5 meter, run at a right angle through the center of a rectangular park of length 70 meter and breadth 45 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of roads. Also, find the cost of constructing the road at the rate of rupees 105 per meter square. See the solution. Here area of the crossroads is the area of shaded portion, that is area of rectangle PQRS and area of rectangle EFGH. But while doing this, the area of square KLMN is taken twice, which is to be subtracted. Now, what is PQ? Length of PQ? It is 5 meter. PS, it is 45 meter. EH equal to again 5 meter. And EF equal to 70 meter. KL equal to 5 meter. And KN, again it is 5 meter. Therefore, area of path equal to area of rectangle PQRS plus area of rectangle EFGH minus area of square KLMN. What is the area of rectangle PQRS? It is length into breadth. And what is length? Length is PS into breadth. It is PQ plus area of rectangle EFGH. It is length into breadth. What is length? It is EF and breadth. It is EH minus area square KLMN. Here, what is the area of square KLMN? It is side square. And what is side? KL into KN. Now, what is PS? It is 45, PQ 5, EF 70, EH 5 minus KL and KN both are 5. Right here 5 and then solve it. 45 into 5 it is 225 plus 70 into 5 it is 350 minus 5 into 5 it is 25 meters square. Now add 225 plus 350 and then subtract 25. You will get 550 meters square. Therefore, cost of constructing the path equal to rupees 105 into 550, and if you multiply it you will get rupees 57,750. This is your answer.